Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. First of all, Bitcoin was able to recapture the support at 85,000, which got a lot of investors very happy, especially the whales started buying into the altcoins. But today, as Bitcoin fell under the support, a lot of panic started to settle, especially the people who decided to buy the altcoins, which were going explosive. And one of the strongest moving one, which is Tokenomics, has definitely underperformed ever since the CEO actually made it back to Dubai. Now this is causing a lot of panic and a lot of people are uncertain. Well, right now you want to put your money to something that's going to be safe, because currently the market is definitely very volatile. Well, that's when this comes in. Currently Pepe Meme is still in a pre-sale stage, meaning even if the market becomes very volatile, you do not have to worry about your money going down, because until the pre-sale doesn't come to an end and the token doesn't go live, everyone's money is going to be held. And obviously the team has a lot of backup and they know what they're doing. They're obviously going to be releasing this token in the time once the market goes into a bullish thesis, and at that time you're obviously going to be able to make more profit. And if you look at all the meme coins, well, the Pepe token is still doing extremely well, holding on to the third spot as the third largest meme coin. And this one is Pepe Meme. So original meme coin that was created was not actually Pepe, it was Pepe Meme. Even if you go on Twitter, you'll see it's called Pepe Meme. So this token is pretty much trying to be Shiba Inu of Dogecoin. What is Pepe Meme? Pepe Meme is the original Pepe. They have already been talked about on so many different known platforms such as Bitcoin.com, Binance, Coin Market Cap, many different places. I mean, altcoin right meme. Pepe the frog laid to the rest over the weekend. Will it stay, and will it be, doing better over time? And it is very funny meme. Why is this a big deal? Because the memes, whenever it comes to memes, it needs to make sure that it's able to capture a lot of attention, and that's exactly what this token is trying to do. The Telegram group has about 31,000 members, so they do have a huge community which is trying to become part of this token. And at the same time, tap to earn, Pepe verse game. So they do have utility. They're not just trying to be a meme coin, they're trying to have a Pepe verse game and Pepe Launchpad, which will be allowing for more meme coins in the future to be created very quickly. And that's really good, because that's exactly what you need. The meme coin over time will need some sort of utility to grow. And this one, you will be able to download a game for Play Store and Apple Store, and then you will be able to tap to earn, which is just play to earn. Airdrop Hub, PvP, and socials are going to be able to be connected, and you'll be able to make more friends. Quarter 4 is completed. Quarter 1 is where we are currently, and Solana LMP token ready. Pepeverse with 100k plus players and 500,000 community. Pepeverse or PvP will go live, and finally by the end of this year they want to get everything ready, and we're going to be hearing some big news. Currently the max total supply is going to be 420 trillion with 690 billion, and you guys can see everything is good, and these are some big names which are already part of this token. First of all, Jeff Bezos, Matthew Perry, Crypto Costa, and this is the Tokenomics. Community is 37%, airdrop 14%, funds 3%, contributors 8%, private sale 12%, auction 20%, advisors 2%, and liquidity 4%. Business Insider, Forbes, Times, they have already covered this token, and it can be seen over here. Pepe IO revoluting the meme coin. Pre-sale is in full swing. Now you may have the question, Sky, how do I even purchase this token? It's very simple. You just need to click on buy now. The link will be in the description to go to this website. You will come to this point. Then you just need to simply connect your wallet. Once you guys have connected your wallet right here on the top right, you just need to simply put in how much USDT you want to convert into this token, and then you just need to simply go ahead and buy. And then slowly, as you can see, the chart is increasing as more buyers are coming in, and these are all the people that have purchased recently, and these are the people which are buying now. So at the end of the day, if you do want to purchase, the link will be in the description. This is no financial advice, this is just my personal opinion, because I see that the holders are slowly growing. There's definitely a little bit of opportunity that's going to come in the future. Do your own research. At the end of the day, it is still your money, so you need to be sure where you're putting your money. But this is just my personal opinion. I see a little bit of potential, I want to share it. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.